We are looking at the Monterey floor plan today. The Monterey is a single-level unit. The units in the front of the building do not have anyone above or below. The units in the rear either have someone below or carports below. Montereys and Coronados share the same building. Montereys have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom and they are located on the ends, while the Coronados have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom and they are located on the inside, along the hallway. This building has carports below the rear units. The carports you see are for different buildings across the way. Here's the rear of a different building. It has units below. These were built without washer and dryer hookups. So sometimes owners will have the hookups installed inside the storage area at the end here.